Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I thought I would show you what I've done to my entry table. I am doing this little area for Halloween as well as my dining table because this is where we will put our Halloween candy when we're giving it out on Halloween. So you can see here is my front door, and then here is my Halloween display. So I am using another one of these kind of burnt orange runners with the black flocking on it on the top of the chest. And then at this end I have this spooky tree. I think I got this from what is now Joann's Fabrics. It was House of Fabrics when I got this many years ago, but it actually goes with a little Halloween village set that I have. You can see it has kind of a face on it. And then I just took some polyfill and put it on the branches, and I just keep that on there year to year. And then I used to have some giant spider webs, and these spiders came with it, but the webs got all messed up, but I kept the little spiders. So I just stuck the spider in the tree to kind of go along with the cobwebs that I have in there. And then I have this glittery pumpkin that has a orange and black mesh over the top of it, and then another one of my little target birds. And then one year I got this candle holder and one on the other side from Target after Halloween. I thought they looked a lot like Nightmare Before Christmas, and so I thought I would use them in my display because that's one of my younger daughter's favorite movies. And then here's our little key tray by the front door that my daughters use since they park in the driveway. And then I have a couple more of those pumpkins and another Target bird. And then one of my daughters put a wand that she got at Universal Studios from the Harry Potter area, put that in the display there. I did not add that. That was a surprise. And then on this end, I have another one of the Target birds, one of the pumpkins, and then this light here. And another one of the trees with another spider. So that's my little entry area, a vignette display for Halloween. I do have actually a black and white and orange wreath I was going to hang on this mirror, but for some reason I couldn't locate it in my Halloween storage area, so I couldn't put it on. If I do find it, I will put it up though before Halloween. So I hope you liked this little quick video on my Halloween entry area. If you did, please give me a thumbs up so that I know you like the content that I'm putting out. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you will consider subscribing. I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. I look forward to seeing all of you next time. Take care.